Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the screen resolution in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So as if you want to change the screen resolution, so very easy. Firstly click on Start, tap here Settings, click on Settings, click on System. Here display resolution. So click on this drop box. Choose as you like. If you want to 1920 for 1080, so click it. If you want the other way, so click it or click on keep change. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to change screen resolution in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Other way, right click on display setting, and here change display resolutions. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.